Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to do this very easy carnation crochet flower. As you can see, I have here the yellow, the orange, the pink, and the peach color. I think this one color. Using my leftover yarn and the 3.5 crochet hook, I'm going to do this carnation crochet flower. I'm gonna show you. It's very easy, guys, so even the beginner can do this one. So first, I'm going to do the slip knot, just like this one.
We're going to do the slip knot first, just as easy as like that, and then insert your hook, and let's make 5 counts, 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to make a circle out of it, just like this one, and then pull to make it tight. And it's up to you if you want to crochet that at the same time, the tail of that yarn. And then let's make 3, 1, 2, 3, and then plus 1, 4 for our first. And then after that, insert our hook. We're gonna need to do this. We're going to do the double crochet 7 more times. 7 times of double crochet, and then chain 1, and then double crochet, that's number 2, and chain 1, and then we're gonna repeat that all the way to finish the 7 double crochet plus chain 1. No, we don't need. We're gonna need 9 double crochet. I'm sorry. We need 9 double crochet and then chain 1. 9 double crochet plus chain 1. So it will be the total count will be 10. So this one, 3 is considered 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna need 2 more. Chain 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10, I'm gonna chain 1 and then insert your hook in the side. It's up to you if you want here on the third. So it's better there so you will not get confused. Let's insert that hook on the third chain where we started, and then chain 1. I'm gonna add 2 more. 1, 2. So it will be 3, chain 3. Then after that, we're going to do, this is like this one. In every spot or hole that there, we're gonna need to double crochet 5 times in each. 5 times, guys. So this is considered 1, count 1. So we only need 4 double crochet on this spot, on this hole, first hole in between of these 2 double crochet in our first row. So let's make that 4 double crochet. So 1 more. And that's it. So this is considered 5 counts. So we're gonna continue doing that, but this time we're gonna need to double crochet 5 times on the next spot. 5, 5, 5. So 5 double crochet. 5 double crochet on that spot until we finish the round 2. I'm gonna show you later how it looked like. So here we go, guys. I finished that last double crochet. So we're gonna need, what we're gonna need, we need to insert our hook in the first hole or stitch in here where we started. So insert your hook there, slip stitch, and then what we're going to do, we're going to do chain 1, and then we add 3 more. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 1 here. No, single crochet again. single crochet in each stitch, and then add chain 3, 2, 3, and then continue doing the same stitch on every stitch or loop here on our second row. And this is the third row already, so that's how it will work. It's look like this one. As you can see, this is it's like a ruffles, where our carnation ruffles. So we continue doing the same stitch, single crochet in each stitch and plus chain 3. So here, after we finish the row 3, just insert here your hook and slip stitch to close, and then chain 1 and just cut. Where's my scissors? Just cut and hide the tail, and then what we're going to do next, just a slip knot again, and here and every double crochet on the first row. We did the double crochet here 10 times, so what we're going to do, insert our hook there and get that slip knot, that knot loop, and chain 1, pull it so it will be tight, pull the yarn, and then we're gonna need to do the 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, not 5, 3, I mean we need to do the 3 chain 3, and then every double crochet there we need to insert our hook in between of that one, under the stitch, get that yarn, and we have 2 loops on our hook. Just insert your hook and get that yarn. So another 3, 1, 2, 3, and then same thing, insert your hook under the stitch, get that yarn and slip stitch, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do that to all double crochet under the stitch. Okay, so slip stitch and chain 3 and slip stitch and chain 3. So for the last part, we just insert the hook the same time, and what we're going to do, and that every 3 chain that we made at the back or under the stitch of the first row, insert our hook there. It's up to you if you want to include to crochet the tail, so you're not going to sew again, I mean later. So slip stitch and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then double crochet 4 times on that same spot or same hole. It will be our 5 double crochet counts in every spot of every hole or in between of that stitch. So we're gonna need 1 more before we continue doing the same on the next one. So here, so a total of 5 double crochet. First chain 3 is considered 1 count. We're gonna do the next spot, we're gonna need to 5 double crochet, just like the first or second row what we did before on this stitch. So we're going to continue doing that, and just going back later, show you. So here we go, guys. Just close it, insert slip stitch on the first knot, and then chain 1, and then we're gonna add chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and insert your hook, single crochet plus chain 3 in every stitch, just like here, guys. The same stitch we use here in the third row of the first petals. Oh, and here single crochet again, and then chain 3, single crochet plus chain 3, single crochet plus chain 3. So that's it, guys. You just continue doing the same stitch just like the first one here. So, and it's done. So here we go, guys. Done. It's done. This is our carnation. Yes. Just hide the tail. This one I used the not thick yarn. And this one is a thick yarn. So it become bigger. And this one also. So as you can see, I made so many carnation out of this pattern. Crochet pattern of carnation. And it's up to you which one is look better for you. See, this color is better for me. I think this one is, I like this color, and this one too, and this one too, this one too, and all of them. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like or comment down below. God bless you all. Bye bye.